Hi guys, today I wanna show you the problem with my Dolce Gusto. This is Dolce Gusto Jovia, whatever. Um, Basically the first problem was that the water was coming rusty, so there was rust coming of the nozzle. Every time you were making coffee it was full of rust, so that wasn't acceptable at all. So to fix that problem, I found out that I had to remove the metal plate, which was just here at the end where is the plastic part now. So I did that. I removed the metal part from there, clean up and replace with the plastic. Now secondly, when I assembled everything together, the machine wasn't working. So the second problem what came up was the sensor issue. So now this is the sensor, magnetic sensor, and here's another part. That's another, yeah, and that's the way it's working. Basically, when you inserting the capsule, it's detecting and it's giving signal to the mainboard to start pouring the water. So then only the pump will start work. Otherwise, even a little gap, it's not gonna work at all. So in my case, only to make it work, I decided, because I clean up everything inside, it's going, I'm gonna show you now. The sensor goes right here, so the sensor goes right here. There you go. And then once you insert the capsule, it's detecting and giving signal to the pump, basically. And what I'm gonna do to bypass this issue, I'm just gonna use the small magnet, and I'm gonna just put the wire probably somewhere here attached, zip tie or something. So basically the machine will always have signal that there's capsule and there's no problem to start the pump. Now you can see what is the issue with this machine. Basically, when you want to dispense the water, nothing is happening. Now the sensor close to the magnet, and everything is working. And nothing is working. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the little magnet basically, and then just wire or zip tie the sensor somewhere here. Maybe it's not professional, but it's gonna work. Now, so just to show you guys how I route the wire, the sensor wire. So basically, this is the wire we're talking about. It's going all the way, and I just stuck it here. See that insulation tape? That's a sensor. On top of that, I stick the little magnet, and I just cover that with the insulation tape. And it's all working, no problem. Now I'm just testing up, so I'm gonna make a few coffees just to see if there's no any leak. and then probably after 1 day, 2, whatever, I'm gonna close everything back. Yeah, so here's the story. Thanks guys.